Okay, guys, I'm in Lowe's. It is jumping in Lowe's today. That line is off the chain by the checkout, but I'm way in the back of the store. Let's see here. You got roses. How much are these? 24. These duet roses, $24.98. Me and hubby went to Sam's yesterday and we got a bunch of soil and stuff, so I'm good for a while. I got so many seeds. I just went back to the clearance. There was nothing going on over there. I'm looking more towards flowers right now. And I'm also here to look at those vertical planters. I love tropical plants. Let's see. For the patio. I don't know what these, you gotta keep these indoors, don't you? I'll check that out in just a minute. Let's see what this, perfect for decks, patios, and gardens. Full sun, thrives from spring to first frost. Water 2 times per week. Pruning removes spent flowers. Okay, so yeah, this is what I would like for the backyard. It's $34.98. It's not bad. Keep things easy for your girl. I'm gonna keep looking. It's a $198. These are pretty. $16.98. I need some marigolds. I'm not picking up anything because I didn't grab a cart. Marigolds, $198. These look good. Better than the ones I got from Walmart. The ones I got from Walmart, I got 6 cells for $198. Those look good. These $198 each. I think I'm gonna go in the store. I want to find those vertical planters. I thought they would be out here. I'm a terracotta. These are all pretty. I'm a terracotta person. Look at this. It's $44.98 for a strawberry planter. And that pot, $7.98. The prices aren't bad. I mean, I love real terracotta. Alright, so that's it for now. I'm going to go on and shut off now and see what's going on inside.